Check out this 2011 Hyundai Sonata Limited. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include active ECO system, 7 speakers, audio controls, MP3 decoder, XM satellite radio, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, dual automatic climate control, rear window defroster and HomeLink integrated transceiver. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.